Yes, bubbles line. Right, let's go. You put this thing and then you switch weapons to the end. Okay. I'm gonna lower it, the bullet. Yeah. I've got to change that. That cutscene is too good. Oh man, it's V8. When did it turn to a V8? Yay! Excellent. That means I no longer have to try and use this thing or I'm ready to go. That'd be stupid not to. I'd be really stupid not to. This is the part of the game where you can just get tons and tons and tons of goals for doing absolutely nothing. I love it. It's great. Oh look, I just got 12,000 just by killing one guy. Wow. I mean, overkill much. Isn't the next place we go Hollow Star Studios?
I think so. No, you gotta go back to the Annihilation Nation.
Ah, yes,
and
yes.
Then you gotta go to
oh man, we can actually...
And then you gotta go back to here. And then you gotta go 4 years.
Actually no, isn't it the other way around? Yes, yeah, well, yeah, it's Annihilation Nation, Hollow Star Studios.
Blackwater City.
No, I think Blackwater City is after Hollow Star.
Yeah, that's right, you don't get to fight her yet because
You have to give her the job in Hollow Star.
Place. Yes, where you play as Clank.
Yeah.
And then you play as Ratchet.
The area is Ratchet, it's really hard. Hollow Star Studios is Ratchet, actually really hard.
Yeah.
It doesn't seem like it, but it bloody is.
Especially getting titanium.
Oh, titanium box either.
There's 2 of them there.
Oh yeah. There's oh right, yeah. You're thinking about the pad thing, the gravity boots. Yeah, that's kind of annoying. Where do I go? Oh, bridge. Didn't even see that. Why is he just walking on the spot, doing nothing? What an idiot. He's dead now. Hope he suffers. Whee!
Cover me!
No.
Cover me!
Right.
I don't feel like it.
I don't feel like saving your ass today. Oh, we can go to Blackwater City now. I'll go to Blackwater City, then I'll go to Annihilation Nation, because I want some bolts, because I want to get more weapons. I want some bolts! I want some bolts! I want some bolts, bitch! Yay! Bolts! Blackwater City. This level's fun, I like it. It's cool, it's cool! Going down. I love this, it's got the same music as the first game. Loving it! Except the place has changed just a tad.
The music in this stage, I've always done liked it.
Really?
I've always loved this music in this place.
Ah, yeah.
I'll be glad to see you, Sarge.
What did you say? I hated it?
I thought you said you hated it.
No, I don't hate it, I love it.
Yeah, it's amazing. I don't think there's any... Yeah. No, I don't think there's been any bad piece of music in the Ratchet and Clank series.
Yeah, all the music's good in it. I think there was one world in one of the Ratchet and Clank games, I don't remember, and the music sucked. I think it was in Size Matters.
Well, that makes sense, because it's not actually Insomniac Games.
Yeah.
Yep, that's fine. That doesn't count. I'll just kill these bags. One. They're gonna die. Gay. They can gay. Lesbian. Unreal lesbian. Die.
It's raining over here. My power might turn off and then I'll be one pissed off panda because then downloading these videos will be...
No. How much percent is it on?
It's on 84%.
That's quite good.
Yeah.
I'm about to say that.
Even though when we started this, I told you it was at 80%.
Yeah.
It's only got the 4%.
Well, that's not too bad. That's only 3 hours. So that means it's got a lot left.
Yeah. I give it 2 more days.
I don't know. I reckon it will have, judging, 3 hours, 4% estimate, or... you got about 12 hours.
No, it's been 4 hours.
Has it?
Yeah, it's been 4 hours.
You got 16 hours, roundabout.
So 1 hour per thing.
Yeah, it's not too bad. You got 16 hours. Yeah, you got 16 hours left, so it'll be done by tomorrow.
Yeah, it'll be done by tomorrow night.
That's cool.
No, not tomorrow night. Later tonight. I think.
No, but tomorrow morning, dude. So basically, when you wake up, it'll be done. Noise is still in the bridge, and I'm just gonna shoot the fuck out of him. Well, that was really easy. That's storming the bridge. Well, the good thing is you can just select the specific videos you want to download. So if it does go off, you can just look at the ones that you have downloaded and just unclick all of them except the ones you want.
You know, I was trying to download 2 more parts of Legend of Zelda Majora's Mask, and for some reason it doesn't work. Like whenever I download it, it finishes it, but when I try to watch it, it says Windows Movie Maker couldn't blah blah blah. Not Windows Movie Maker.
Media player. Media player.
Watch it.
Oh well.
So I have to record it from Hypercam.
It's not that bad.
Yeah.
Just one video. It's just 2 videos. It's just 2 videos. It's not too bad. The one thing I don't like. The one thing I don't like is if you're in your shield, you still lose your times bonus, which makes no sense because you're not specifically you getting shot. You're safe in a shield. You shouldn't lose your times or whatever bonus. So I've just had a times 20 before then, and now it's gone. I don't like it. Yeah, I've got fancy shooting, bitch. Oh yes, V8. That's a V8. Well, it's time for the new weapon to launch itself and go boom. He walks into that one. It's his fault. You're going down. So are you. Don't you just love my new weapon? And you ultimately overpowered weapon. My over weapon is over. Yay! I'm gonna go back to the bridge. I got the gravity boots. I win. Yay! Oh wow! This is where we are. Lol.
Yep.
I didn't realise that.
Give you the gravity boots. That's pretty cool.
Annihilation.
Annihilation.
Do you know what this means? We can actually do every single Annihilation mission here.
Let's do it.
Do you know what else we can do? We can actually get the Rhino after this.
Let's do it.
I know, we're doing it. That sounds wrong. Didn't mean it like that. What, don't you like me? No, of course I do. No, you're not going into that. Oh, I did get the rifle up. Yeah, this is the only weapon that so far which isn't a V8. It's just a V6. The rest of the V8s or V5s because I haven't bought the mega weapons. That's incredible. I've upgraded.
My thunder was like...
Nice.
Literally, it was literally...
Put it to your window. Put your headset to your window now. No, I'm joking.
I would like to be able to hear it unless the lightning like struck next to my window, which I really do hope it doesn't happen.
But how cool is your building?
If it struck my window, I would die.
Yeah, possibly. It could happen.
My house would be on fire.
Nice. Oh, They're dead.
I hope that doesn't happen because there's thousands of dollars of equipment in my room right now.
Yeah. Well, that was really easy. My new ultra cool weapon is like overpowered as fuck. Yay!
Now, as you were saying before I rudely interrupted you.
Planet Dax!
Planet Dax! Not in a gay way. Or like I like to say, no.
Die. Die, damn it. No. Is it possible to get the PDA? Yes, awesome. I can use the PDA to buy more ammo. Win. That is awesome. I can use the PDA to make me win with my Ultra Tower Ultra Overweapon. And that is almost the V7. Nice. I don't care. Ladies, and I really couldn't care less. But no. What should I buy? I'm going to buy the Infector. Gonna get it all on your grill and all that. Yeah. At the moment, though, I'm going to use this weapon still. Mainly because I want to upgrade it. Alright, no, it does. And jelly time! Look at this, it's a V7, how wonderful. I'm gonna fight the Scorpion again. Wait a minute. Quick select. What don't I need? I don't need the rifle anymore, so I'll give it to the Infector. Actually, it's not called that. It's called Infecto Bomb. It's the Mega Infecto Bomb. Okay, that's not going up at all. That's quite bad. That is going up so slowly. This is bad. Things have gotten worse. It's going up so slowly. On Planet Dax.
On Planet Dax.
Whoa. That ain't going up at all. Oh yes it is. Very, very slow. Oh god, that's gonna take forever. I don't like the Mega Infecto Bomb. It's gonna take forever to upgrade. It's actually gonna take forever. I'll actually be here forever just trying to upgrade this thing. Oh my god. I'll try against Scorpion, see what happens there. Yay! Christmas. I love Christmas. No. Obviously not, I'm just here watching everything. All Nitro Rupture is like awesome. Whoa, you're like dead already. Wow. Did you say I should introduce this guy to my ex-wife? Right, where is it? Scorpio.
Let's get ready to rampage!
You're gonna die now, ha 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 ha. You're gonna die now, ha 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 ha. Actually, it might not die straight away. Damn it, PDA. Bye. Bye bye. Oh, you lucky bastard. Oh yeah.